Hello and welcome to the second edition of Economic Times Global Legal Convention 2025. I am Kushi Gupta and here with me is Nazneen from ANB Legal. Hi ma'am, how are you?
Hi, very good afternoon.
Ma'am, please share your experience at the summit.
We are here since morning and had a fantastic event so far. All the panel discussions and especially the panelists have a worth of experience to share. So, just listening to all the insights that they have to share has been a wonderful experience. Also, I think it's been organized really well. So, it's been moving flawlessly since morning, and there are quite a few sessions yet to come. So, looking forward to that.
Glad to hear that you had such a great experience. My next question to you is how is your firm embracing legal tech?
So we are looking at legal tech as one of the very good helping tools to make our work optimization more effective. So earlier, like for especially from like a litigation and case management perspective, there are various tools which are helping us with summarizing the concepts, highlighting the relevant provisions and case law management as well. So I think it's got a very important role to play in terms of how you can focus more on execution work and taking help of these tools to minimize your input time smartly on it. Absolutely. Looking forward to having more such tech aided expertise from both legal firm side also, and I am hearing that similar feedback from a lot of corporates as well. So yeah, I think looking forward to embracing it more.
Yeah, that's great. My next question to you is how do you see Advocate Act reforming the legal sector today?
Advocates Act reforming the legal sector is, I think, going to be more important or relevant from a general counsel's perspective because earlier there were a lot of restrictions that once you take up the role as a general counsel, you cannot practice or appear before the various judicial forums, which is going to change if some of the proposed amendments in the Act are implemented. So, I think that's going to have a very positive effect in terms of more audience, more people being able to appear and share their inputs before the judicial forums as well. I think mainly largely from a law firm perspective, I mean, since we are all practicing advocates specializing in different fields, it may not have that much of an implication on practicing lawyers.
Thank you so much for your valuable insights, ma'am. Stay tuned to AT Legal social media platform to know more about this event.